right here aboard the Natchez, folks. These guys are good. Forming in front of the Texas bar. They are breakhead. The sun will be back up there and down facing what they call some music. Well, we are right now the big pizza. On the very bottom deck, you will find the men's and ladies' restrooms. Ladies on the right, men's on the left. And just outside the restrooms on that lower deck, you'll find our most prized possession aboard the Natchez. Other than a lovely Courtney, you will find the Natchez steam capability. Natchez is an authentic stainless steamboat. Our batteries in the back that only uses the water. And just like Coca-Cola, we are the real thing. So we invite you to visit our engine room at any time during the cruise. You can actually go to our engine room and see the new operation. And then do some safety. We do have life jackets. Don't care if you're on the vessel. Do it on the outer decks. Instructions regarding and adjusting the jackets are closed as well.